2008 Lexus ls600hl or ls460. I believe they're the same. So my last video I showed you how to remove the airbag. This video is how to remove the steering wheel. So this is a nut right here. This is a 19mm socket nut. So you unscrew that. You can use a heavy duty impact gun, whatever works. You can use a regular wrench or a ratchet, put an extension on there, put another 19mm socket on it. You can hold with one end here while you unscrew that nut so the steering wheel doesn't move around. Then you can just take out the nut all the way. Let's see. Save this nut just in case you need to reinstall it. In my case, I don't need that. So then you got these two things here that sit right here. So you just press it from top to bottom right here. Press that down and pull on at the same time. Same with this little one. That's off. Once that's all to the side, I usually bang on it here with my hands on both corners so I freeze it loose. So I'll show you what that looks like. There you have it. Make sure these two wires connected to the clock spring. Make sure they come out nice and easy with the clock spring. Be gentle with it. I'm mixing the wire here. Hold on 1 second. So I have one more wire here, plug. Just press down on it. It pops out. That's for the heated wheel portion. So then you can move it out this way. And there you have it. Then if you need to replace this clock spring, you gotta clip here, you pick it up, it breaks it loose. You got one here, and you also have one here. Press down on it, and it's loose. And then you can just disconnect the plugs. Very simple. There's a little clip that's holding right there. You press down on it, it'll come off. Same with this one. Same with this one. And then this yellow one. Just pull on it right here, just like that, and it pops off. Thanks for watching.